Let's look at this question. Hometowns of 5 friends Abhijit, Ajay, Ajit, Anil and Arijit are 5 different towns out of Agra, Ahmedabad, Ahmednagar, Allahabad and Amritsar in some order. Each friend attends a college in the hometown of exactly one other friend. Okay. Additionally, the following points are known. If Arijit's hometown is Ahmedabad, then Ajit does not attend college in Ahmednagar. But we can't do anything about this right now because this is a conditional statement. We'll come to it later. Anil attends college in Arijit's hometown. This is a good statement. Let me record. I have name, I have hometown, and I have college ka town. Okay. So Anil attends college in Arijit's hometown. So Anil attends college in X and Arijit's hometown is also X. We have taken care of the second statement. If Anil's hometown is Agra, only then Arijit attends a college in Allahabad, not otherwise. Okay, can't do anything of it. We'll come to it later. The fourth statement, Ajit attends a college in Ajay's hometown. Ajit attends a college in Ajay's hometown. So Ajit attends a college in Y and Ajay's hometown will also be Y. Okay. We have taken care of the fourth statement. Fifth statement. If Ajit's hometown is not Ahmednagar, then Abhijit attends a college in Allahabad. Okay. Can't do anything about it right now. Statement 6. Abhijit attends a college in Ajit's hometown. Abhijit attends college in Ajit's hometown. Okay. So this is also taken care of. Statement 2, 4, 6 have been taken care of. Next, Ajay's hometown is Amritsar if and only if Ajit attends a college in his hometown. Look at this. Ajay's hometown is Amritsar if and only if Ajit attends a college in his hometown. Is Ajit attending a college in Ajay's hometown? Yes, this is known to me. So this is Amritsar. This is also known. And this is also known as Amritsar. Because Ajit is attending a college in Ajay's hometown. So Ajay's hometown is Amritsar. This is guaranteed information. We have taken care of 7 also. Let's get to 8. If Abhijit's hometown is not Allahabad, then Anil attends a college in Amritsar. Can Anil be attending college in Amritsar? No. So if this portion is untrue, second portion is untrue. If Abhijit's hometown is not Allahabad, then Anil attends a college in Amritsar. So Anil is not attending college in Amritsar. So Abhijit's hometown has to be Allahabad. Let's record that. Allahabad. Done. We have also taken care of the 8th statement. Let's get to the 9th statement. Ajay attends a college in Anil's hometown. Ajay attends a college in Anil's hometown. So if this is A, this is A. Now see, the only person for whom the town in which they attend college is not known is Arijit. AXZY, everything is known. So Abhijit and Arijit Abhijit's hometown will be the town in which Arijit attends college. So this will be Allahabad now. This is also known. We have taken care of the 9th statement also. Then we have the 10th statement. If Anil's hometown is not Ahmedabad, then Ajit's hometown is Ahmednagar. As of now, I have no information regarding this. We can't do this. Now we have gone through all the statements. We have precise locations for 2 people. So let's read the conditions again. If Arijit's hometown is Ahmedabad, then Ajit does not study in a college in Ahmednagar. Oh, look at the first line. If Arijit's hometown is Ahmedabad, Ajit does not study a college in Ahmednagar. Is Ajit studying in Ahmednagar? No. He is not studying in Ahmednagar. It means Arijit's hometown is Ahmedabad. So this is Ahmedabad, the place where most CAT aspirants should aspire to get to. Ahmedabad. X is Ahmedabad. X is Ahmedabad. Okay, A and Z are left. So we have also taken care of the first statement now. Let's look at the third statement. If Anil's hometown is Agra, only then Arijit attends the college in Allahabad, not otherwise. Arijit attends the college in Allahabad, yes. So Anil's hometown is Agra, that is also known. So this is Agra and this is Agra. Now the only city left on both sides is Z. Agra is used up, Ahmedabad is used up, Ahmednagar is left, Allahabad is used up, Amritsar is used up. So Z has to be Ahmednagar. Ahmednagar and Ahmednagar. Okay, so we have taken care of the third statement also. Now there are just two statements that we haven't checked so far. Let's check them, 5 and 10. If they are satisfied, then our case is final. Question 5. If Ajit's hometown is not Ahmednagar, if Ajit's hometown is not Ahmednagar, then Abhijit attends the college in Allahabad. If Ajit's hometown is not Ahmednagar, but it is Ahmednagar, so this condition is no longer applicable. This has been satisfied. Okay, let's get to question 10. If Anil's hometown is not Ahmedabad, if Anil's hometown is not Ahmedabad, yes, it is Agra, then Ajit's hometown is Ahmednagar. Is Ajit's hometown Ahmednagar? Yes. This condition is also satisfied. All conditions are satisfied. Let's get to the individual questions. Okay, wait, I will need this. Okay, consider the towns Ahmedabad and Amritsar. Ahmedabad and Amritsar. What can be said about Anil's association? Anil to Ahmedabad and Amritsar, only associated with Ahmedabad. Between Ahmedabad and Amritsar, only Ahmedabad is associated with Anil. Yes, this is correct. Option A. This should be your answer. Let me also check the other options. Between Ahmedabad and Amritsar, only Amritsar is associated with Anil. Wrong. Both Ahmedabad and Amritsar. Wrong. Neither Ahmedabad nor Amritsar. Wrong. So answer option A. Let's get to the second question. Consider Abhijit and Arijit. Abhijit and Arijit. What about their association with Allahabad? Abhijit is from Allahabad. Arijit goes to Allahabad. Between Abhijit and Arijit, only Abhijit is associated. Wrong. Between Abhijit and Arijit, only Arijit is associated. Wrong. Both Abhijit and Arijit are associated with Allahabad. Yes, this is correct. Then the next question is, what is the hometown of Ajay? Hometown of Ajay is Amritsar. So option B. Who attends the college in Amritsar? Who attends the college in Amritsar? It is Ajit. Therefore option D.